Hey babes, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for watching. I am so excited about this video. I'm going to be unboxing my very first Louis Vuitton with you guys on camera for the first time. I haven't seen it at all. I literally just got home from work and I am sitting down to film this. I cannot wait. So I'll share all the details and stuff in the description box below, and I'll also talk about it on the video. So go ahead and click the subscribe button below if you're new here. I would love to have you join my YouTube fam. I put up 3 videos a week in mainly fashion, but also like lifestyle and beauty content as well. And I just love to have you join along, but I am too excited. I cannot wait anymore. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. Okay, so 2020 has been a big year for me personally and professionally, and while usually those things would be celebrated by going out to dinner with friends or, you know, even just going out to dinner with my husband, I can't do that because of COVID, and so I ended up just buying the bag to kind of commemorate all of the really awesome things that have happened this year, and I hate to say that just because of it is such a tough year for other people, but it's just been a really great year personally and professionally, and so I ended up ordering this online. I was gonna go in store, but I couldn't because of, well, COVID. I mean, I guess I could, but I didn't want to, like, you know, go in stores just to get the bag, so I ended up buying online. I was torn between 2 of the patterns, the Damier Azur, I believe is how you say that, and then just like the classic monogram, but I knew what bag I wanted for sure. So when you open it up, it has the most beautiful logo ever. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then it has the gorgeous orange box on the inside. And it also comes with the paperwork. Now keep this no matter what, because that's like your authentication paperwork and all that kind of stuff. I think that's how you say that word. And just in case you ever want to sell the bag, you need that. Well, it's preferred to have that. But let's go ahead and shut this. So like I said, it was between 2 patterns and I would have ultimately gone to the store and looked at both, but I didn't want to do that because of COVID, so I made the decision last second and I am so happy with it. So this one is a little different. It actually pulls out from the side. It doesn't do the front, it doesn't have the magnetic front to it. And then you open it up. On the inside, it has the dust bag. Oh my gosh. So it says Louis Vuitton on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got the Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandouliere 30. I believe that's how you say it. I've also heard it said Bandouliere, but basically what that means is it has the strap on the side. So it does come folded like this, and I ended up just getting the classic monogram pattern, and now that it is here, I am so glad that that is what I got. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I did buy a little bag like filler for it, and I'll talk about that in a second, but oh my gosh, it is so pretty. So like I said, just like the classic monogram pattern, this is the size 30, and then because it is the bandouliere or bandouliere, it does have the strap on the side. So let's see, not quite sure how. I heard that this strap comes in like 3, like it breaks down to like 3 separate pieces. I'm not quite sure how that works. There we go. So I will probably carry it like this most of the time because I do still really like a shoulder bag. Like I prefer the shoulder. I don't know, that's pretty short. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'll show it to you guys on in a second, but it does just have a 3-part strap, and then let's open it up on the inside. Oh yeah, it does have the little Louis Vuitton dust bag on the inside as well with the key and lock. So like I probably won't have this on the bag full time, but like if I was to travel or something, maybe I would. I'm not quite sure. who knows. And then the inside, I believe unless you get it custom and like you get your initials painted on it, all of the insides are the same for the Speedy 30. So I feel like this is a pretty good size bag. It just has one pocket, and to compare it to a size, this is the Tory Burch Fleming bag. So I feel like you're really struggling to see. Let me go ahead and put the insert in here. So this insert is from Amazon. It is the large size. I'll link the exact one that I got below. I highly recommend just checking out what the chart they have on there says, because the medium was recommended for the Speedy 30 if you don't want it to like fully keep its shape, but I really want it to keep its shape, so. I don't know, this looks very big. Oh, that's the perfect size. Okay. Now that it's a little bit more stretched out, you can kind of see it a little bit. So this is what it looks like compared to the Tory Burch Flemings. And then, like I said, just one pocket on the inside, and then it does have the stamp right there. I believe it says CT0280. If I remember correctly, that means it was like made in the 28th week of the year. Not quite sure. Definitely, since this is my first Louis Vuitton or even like luxury handbag, I'm not an expert yet, but my aunt collects them, so I will just have to ask her about them. But I am so happy with this decision, so happy with this purchase. Again, like, it feels so odd to be super excited about something like this during, you know, everything that's going on, but like for me, it has been such an amazing year, and I really wanted to be able to celebrate that, and so I just got a bag instead of like being able to go out and celebrate with friends. Okay, so now that the insert is actually in there, I'm going to go ahead and put my stuff in it, and then I'll show it to you guys what it looks like on, and I'm so happy. Okay, so this bag actually holds a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna bring you guys down and I'll like kind of show you what I have in here, but there is so much room left in here, it's crazy. Okay, so this is the bag. When you open it up, I have, like I said, the large inserts. So in the center here, I have, sorry if it's a little hard to see, I have my wallet. I don't really carry big wallets. So I usually just carry little like card holders because I don't carry a lot of cash. And then I have something that I keep my business cards in for work. And then this is a zipper pouch that actually is Velcro. So you can pull this out if you don't want to keep it in there. But I wanted to keep everything, instead of keeping them in little pouches, I wanted to be able to see it since I have this. So I have like all my lip products here. There's nothing in that one. Then it's got this like center area here where there's nothing. I've got like Tylenol, Advil, eye drops, some lip balm, my nail file, like nail clippers, and then here I've got Windex wipes and then Clorox wipes that I keep with me, especially because, you know, Corona. And then I have my earphones here, and I'm also gonna go get my AirPods out of my car, and then those will kind of stay in here. Again, another side pocket, like completely empty. This is for your keys, so it does have a place where you could put those, but I don't usually love these because, like, I don't know. I feel like if I can't get my keys out of my bag, like, what good does it do? So that's probably where my keys will stay, but they won't be attached to that. And then just pins, a knife, and then some hair bows over there. And then in the actual pocket is where I'm just going to keep a few lady products. So let me show this to you guys on, and then that will be it for this video. Okay, so for size reference, I am 5'9". And then just to say it one more time, this is the Speedy Bandouliere or Bandouliere 30. I'm not crazy about those wrinkles. I hope they go out. I mean, I'm sure they will go out with time, but the bag was folded super odd, but you know, it is what it is. I'm sure they'll go with time. But this is what it looks like on my arm here. And then this is the strap with all three adjustments. This is, like I said, all three, like on the loosest setting for each. 5'9". This is where it hits on me if I just carry it on my shoulder, which is like actually perfect. I thought I was gonna take the middle section off, but it fits, I mean, truly perfect. And if I was to ever carry it crossbody, then this is how it looks. So I have a really long torso, so maybe that's why it just hits perfect, but I really, really love this. And I did go ahead and put the lock on here just because I, one, wanted to use it, but two, like, you know, if I ever did want to just like lock up my bag, I have the lock and I've got the keys in there as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me and following along. You guys are the reason that I hit a few of my professional goals this year, and I'm just so grateful for you guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you are new here. I love you guys so much, and I hope that I see you in my next video.